Is your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni on a dirt strike? You go to empty the dirty water tank, expecting a murky mess, but instead, it's completely dry. Meanwhile, your floors feel, well, a little suspicious. This water suction problem is a common failure for Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni owners. So, what's the real problem? This water suction failure is caused by a broken internal duo, a faulty water pump and a cracked water tubing set. The pump can't suck, and the broken tube gives all that filthy, stagnant water an escape route, straight into your floor. It seeps under your hardwood, soaks your subfloor, and invites mold to a party you never wanted to host. Suddenly, you're not just dealing with a broken robot. You're facing thousands in floor damage, a voided warranty, and a serious health hazard. But you can prevent this? This is where expertise matters. And at RoboCare, this is our specialty. We know the X1 Omni station inside and out. We don't just guess. Our diagnostic process quickly confirms the dual failure of the faulty water pump and the cracked internal tubing. We then perform a complete robot vacuum repair, carefully replacing both the pump and the entire water tubing set with genuine components designed to last. We don't believe in temporary fixes. We solve the root of the problem to restore your machine's self-cleaning function perfectly. It's a precise, expert-level repair that ensures your investment is protected. But talk is cheap. Don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the results. After our expert repair, the water pump and tubing are replaced. The result? Perfect suction, sparkling clean mops, and a floor you can trust. Got a robot problem? We've got the solution. With RoboCare, getting a fix is simple, fast, and professional. Contact RoboCare today.